Hey guys, Alicia here. Today we are going to be talking about how to make photo greeting cards. Now, these work great for birthday parties, save the date, wedding invitations, birth announcements, and so many more. So I'm going to show you how to do it and what you need to include in your Etsy listing on how to do that. Okay, so we're going to click on New, and although you can make whatever size you want, the standard size of a greeting card is usually about 4x6 or 5x7. I'm going to go ahead and go with the 5x7, and I'm going to click Create. Now, I have already uploaded a photo of my granddaughter, and what we need to do is we're going to fit this in here. And you can move this up a little bit, however you want. This was just a picture I had. Wasn't technically sized correctly. Okay, so down here at the bottom, we need to put some text for the birth announcement. So there are many different ways to do this, and I think I'm just going to stick with something simple for this video. And so we are going to type welcome, and I'm going to go ahead and pick out a font. So I picked out a font for the welcome, and I also tilted this just a little bit because we're wanting to add just a little bit more to it. And I think I want to put this in like a dark gray. Now you can design this however you would like. You can make the template color down here a color if you want, and then put the photo over the top. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color to like a dark gray. And then down here we need to put the name. Now even though this is my granddaughter, to protect her name and everything, I'm going to just make up a name. So we're going to add some more text. So I'm just going to make up a name, Kylie Grace. And then I'm also going to change my font on this as well, but I'm going to change the font to something different. So I have changed my font here, and I'm going to probably keep this font like this. Let me see if I like this bolded or not. And I do not, because I want the bottom to be, and I think I probably changed the color here so it stands out just a little bit more. And you just have to kind of play around with this until you get it just how you like it. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to add some more text to put the date. And then I will change my font again. And then I'm going to add some more text, and I'm going to put the birth weight. So we'll just put 7 pounds, 8 ounces. And then I will change my font again, and we can put that down here. Now, you can do this however you would like. You can actually put the birth date here and the weight here, and you can leave a little bit of room down here at the bottom if you wanted to say something special, you know, the parents of, or whatever, however you want to do this. So I'm basically just showing you the fundamentals of how to do this. So for right now, I'm going to keep this down here. And I'm really liking this, other than I need this welcome to really stand out some. So I may have to play around a little bit more with the color spectrum and go with like a color. And I really do like this brick red sort of color. I think it stands out, and then I really like this, but we need to change the color to a dark gray on all of these. And once again, it's all a matter of preference and how you would like to do this. You can even put an exclamation point at the end. Welcome, Kylie Grace, 9/8/18, 7 pounds, 8 ounces. So, and actually I'm going to fix this. That looks like 80 ounces. So let me put that in lowercase, 8 ounces. And we can put this up here. And now we have created a beautiful photo greeting card. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop. And the next thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to put this in a mock-up photo, because whenever you sell this on Etsy, now, is what you're going to need to do in your Etsy listing is you are going to put instructions. You're going to say, number 1, purchase the item. Number 2, email you the picture that they want to use. Number 3, email them the information that they want it to say, such as the baby's name, the day that they were born, and how much they weighed, and if they want anything else special to say that. Now, you don't have to have the photo take up most of the card. I have seen them done this way because really you want this to be, you know, the main focal point of how you do this. So I did save this. Let me just double check. Okay, yes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and return back here, and we need to put this in a mock-up photo. And you can print 2 of these per page. If you did not see my video that I made the other day on how to print 2 5x7s on one 8.5 by 11, I will link that in the description below. And if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, so I'm going to now I'm going to switch to the editor. I'm going to go ahead and discard this design. I'm going to go to my photo library, and I have already uploaded a mock-up photo template that I would like to use. And I'm going to click here on this layering tool, and I'm now going to upload the birth announcement that we just made. And I'm going to pull this over here and fit it perfectly inside of this card. And that is how we do that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading just like this, and also on how to make a passive and supplemental income online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.